Hello and welcome back to my First Mustang.
Whoa! Whoa! This is a huge
We are
wheel!
building an engine hoist.
Whoa! This is a huge wheel!
Whoa, what a huge wheel.
It's in that box.
Wow. Well, what do we have here? This is a Touring Big Red, what? 2-ton capacity.
Engine hoist!
It's an engine hoist.
This is gonna be harder.
It's gonna be hard A. Why are you talking like you're from Canada? Do you love Canadians?
Yeah?
And this one, this particular set came with an engine leveler, which we're super excited about because if you guys haven't been following along, we are pulling out this 289 4-barrel from Nathaniel's 1966 Ford Mustang. Buddy, why are you ripping all this up? We have a lot of work to do. Buddy, how come there are bolts all over the place? We can't lose all these pieces. Gotta read the instruction manual, bud. I know it's boring, but we need to.
This is a big chain.
So let's see. Danger, do not climb, hang, swing, misuse any parts of this. It is not a tool. So guys, we have an engine hoist.
Yeah.
Now I'm getting nervous.
Why?
Why? Because now we have to take the engine out. That's scary.
Why? Why?
Why is it scary to take the engine out? You're right, it's not scary at all.
It's funny.
What do we have to be afraid of?
In our next video, we'll get that engine out and keep safe. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Peace out.
Bye.